Hi, I'm Marissa with CreativeMe, and I'm sitting here in my craft room. I'm a little perplexed as to what to do. If you haven't seen my last video, I did my craft room tour, and I really love the way my craft room looks. The only problem is that I have been doing so many more crafting videos that I've collected a lot more crafting things, and I need places to put them. Just shoving things under places organizationally is okay, but I need more space. So I found a unit on the Facebook resale site marketplace, and I was going to put it here in this corner, but alongside my big plastic bins, I could not fit it. So I had to move it to a different section and move what was over there to this area. So now I don't have a place for my wrapping paper. So what am I gonna do? I guess the only thing left to do is to go to IKEA. So why don't you come along with me and maybe we'll find some really cool things. These shelves are pretty cute. I don't know if I like the red. You know me, and blue is my color, but you could always spray paint them, I guess. $30. That's not that bad. It's pretty. Modern. Here are the 4 cube Kiliaks for $40. You can get the cupboard doors for it, or you can make the drawers for it. But these are nice on the wall ones. I like that. So this is a cute little desk area you could use for taking photos because of the white behind, and it shows some different configurations. So that's pretty nice. Only $99. That's pretty cool. It's a cute little setup. That's for dining. Now this is a set that I have in my craft room, $99. So the bottom can become a filing cabinet, but what I didn't know is that your files don't fit this way. It comes with a bar and your files will fit this way, so you can't fit as many in there as you would like. That one. Should have gotten that one. If you see what you like, you can always go to IKEA online and see how much everything costs. Now these are all metal, interesting, $18, but the inside is not completely closed, so it would have to be for paper solely or something like that, because you wouldn't be able to put little things without it dropping through, but that's not bad. So these shelves are great for paints and things like that. They have a small profile. You can still put a couple of bigger bottles of stuff on there. And those are $15 a piece. Called Mosolanda, something like that. They look like they're about a yard in length. I might grab a few of those. Here's some mint green containers. These ones are the shallow ones with the lid, and there are the bigger ones with the lid there. $7.99 and $5.99. Kind of doesn't make sense. These ones are smaller, but cost more. And I like these because they come out. They have a fork in it to keep it stuff from sliding. So this is $19.99. But there's an idea if mint green is your color. This is my corner desk that I have in my art room. $149. That's a magnet board behind in the back. And this little shelf is just pulls out and you can put a few papers in there. So this island is similar to the one that I have in my craft room. $3.99. It has the shelves on one side, and then you can make it a bar on the other. And I really like this one, especially for filming. It has the shelves, but it also has this bar. So it's meant to be, for your pots and pans, but I would think it would be great for hanging your equipment on or anything like that, and then still be bar underneath. So this one is $5.48. So get more and you pay more. This is a cute rolly cart. This one's $25. It's just a little bit more, $30. Island is also a cart, and that's $109. If you like stainless steel, this one's $150. And this one's a lot larger for kitchens, but hey, we do what we can. $179. Here's a wall set. You can hang little containers off of. That's pretty neat. I think 99 cents is for the bar, and then you can buy the little hooks for 99 cents and the little containers for $1 as well. And then here are their bags, containers. You can put your extra bags in those. I want to get a few of these for my my wrapping paper. These will be useful. There are a bunch of containers you can use on your shelves. $4.50 for the larger ones, $2.79 for the smaller ones. And I like how they have this little dip, so if you have this in the front, then you can easily grab and pull. And these other ones are the same. Here they are with the green on the inside of that. And these are the smaller ones. And they have little containers with your stuff in. Green as well. This one kind of has like a light gray color in it. Here are a few little shelf risers so you can put stuff underneath or on top. $6.99 is the larger one, and $5.99 here for the smaller one. Meant for kitchens, but I really like the hooks. Have a bunch of different containers that can hang on them as well. So that's a really good idea. So I want to get one of these panels that you can hang different shelves and stuff on for in my art room. So let's see. The wall clock, that's a really good one. There you go. The white 22 inch by 22 inch, $15. I'll have to look elsewhere for all the prices of everything else. $4 here for this little tray. We have little drawer things. I don't think that goes together, but these are metal. A little pin board, magnet board with a little tray. That's $35. Looks like a fun little thing that I would like to try. I've never done a loom before, and it's only $20, so maybe I'll make a video of it. A cute little carry-on container. Has a couple removable shelves, one with a little top on it that drops out. $17.99. It's painted, decorated. That's really cute. Here are these $10 shelf systems. They come all apart like this, and then you put them together. It's a pretty good deal. A nice thin shelf. They have it in white as well. There's a $25 card. $50. $79. They have this wall unit shelf. Goes up pretty long. A little bar to keep everything from falling out on this side. But up here, there's no lip, so I'd be worried about things falling off of that. But there's an idea. These are pretty cool. They're thin little wall shelves. $99. Bunch of different options. kind of like a medicine cabinet without the mirror. Hide some stuff in there. About that. What, 5 inches altogether? Here is their shoe organizer. And it looks like it's on sale for $4.99, regularly $6.99. That's not bad. Here are all of the options. I'm definitely going to be picking one of these up for sure. $17 for the big panel. And let's see. The small one, or the medium size one. Let's see, over here it says $15 for the medium size one. And then $10 for the smaller one. Loads and loads of options when it comes to containers. And I love that mint green. They have pink. Any container you could dream of. I'll just walk you through. These are nice. Dividing containers. $5. I'm gonna grab one. Again, you can look up the prices for all of these things online at IKEA.com. These ones are all cardboard, lots of different colors. This would be nice to do a little craft project on. Real wood, $19.99. Some white and metal containers. On top of the desk. Little filing drawer as well. $7.99. Some more metal and stuff. Frame shelves would be good for just displaying some items. It's not a bad price. And these are cool. You can hold your wrapping paper on them. It's just for the gift wrap, not for the item. Some cute metal stuff. This cute little rack. And a nice corkboard piece. Put that on your desk, or even hang it on the wall. Some shelving ideas here. An acrylic one for $12.99. Just a plain black one for $9.99, and a metal black one for $12.99. And here is a white metal one as well for $12.99. And there is the wooden shelf for $9.99 in white as well. And they also have them in a bamboo. Lots of options. Okay, so wasn't that wonderful? IKEA is so big, so expansive. There's so many things to look at. I only touched on, the things that I thought might be good for a home office or for your craft room. So, if I missed anything, please go online and find more of those things. If you saw anything in the background on any of those shots, you can zoom in. Also, of course, you can go to IKEA.com and find everything that I found there, as well as all the prices and everything. So, I hope that you enjoyed our little tour of IKEA. I can't wait to show you in my next video what I got and what I'm going to utilize it for. So, thank you for joining me. If you liked what you saw, please subscribe, leave a comment down below, and hit that little bell notification so that you can be notified when I upload a new video. All of those things will help grow my channel. I'm just a little newbie here, don't know what I'm doing, but I could use all the help I can get. So I will see you next time. Stay creative.